Hi guys, welcome back to another installment from the Pink Shirt RV Guy. This is Rob here once again, and I wanted to touch on something that I get a couple of calls every month or every couple of months. Customers calling me saying, "Hey, I'm out in my RV or travel trailer in this case, and I've got it plugged in, and my batteries keep on draining. My batteries aren't charging. What's going wrong?" So inside each of these coaches is what's called a converter. And the converter actually takes that 110 volt coming in and converts it into 12 volt for your battery charging system. And on occasion, that converter, if you get a little spike of electricity or when you plug in the unit and it jumps too fast, it will actually pop the breaker. So the main thing that we always have to do is just look at the breaker. 99.9% of the time, it's going to be the breaker popping. If the breaker is still active, then your batteries are just shot, which generally happens on these rigs. 2 to 3 years is about all we get, especially down here in the southern states where it's really hot. The batteries end up just tanking after a short period of time. So I just wanted to come in and show you real quick where that converter is. It's real easy. All right, so here's your power command center. All your trailers and most of your motorhomes, unless you have a larger battery system with an inverter converter, are going to have something similar to this. Usually they're going to be right below the refrigerator or under the bed, as is the case in here in this Pleasure Way. So if you come under here, you've got a converter. This will be popped, and it's just as simple as resetting the breaker, and your batteries will be fully charged, and you're good to go.